Hey, guess where we are? It's the train. You are correct. No, you're correct. And if you guess Hawaii, you're wrong.
As long as there was imagination left in the world. With that spirit in mind, these folks are dreaming up a whole new fantasy land. They're hard at work making future dreams come true. Someday soon,
You can still go that way.
take a trip under the sea with the Little Mermaid. Or be our guest for an enchanted For now, it sure is exciting.
Like every time I get on this train,
fun that
I
lies
get bit
ahead.
by somehow.
Yeah.
She just has bad luck. No, I just.
Yeah.
We're people. From Earth.
Needs water to keep going.
I'm from Jupiter.
Up ahead.
I'm from Kohana.
And the water tower.
Actually, Billy's from Jupiter, and that's why you so. No.
Top off.
I'm getting bored.
Everybody please stay
Detail.
Sit
Hey, look, my screen. Show the people these.
Next stop.
I don't feel like showing the people these. You know what? We can't even upload these yet. I gotta wait till I get home. Even. I want. Okay, when you get shut up, stupid train. When you get home and your dad gets you a computer, what you need to do. He's not getting me a computer. He's getting a family computer. Okay. What is it? You get home, get on it, and go to 13923. Look up all my videos. Okay, we're still talking. I know. We both have glasses.
Sit tight, everyone.
Only 2 minutes.
We'll be underway in
I think we're leaving that way.
And ladies and gentlemen, once again, we're going to remain seated. We have to stop just for a few moments to put some water in the tender, and we will be underway in just a few moments. So again, remain seated.
What's a tender?
Front of the train. This
Oh.
is a real steam train, so it runs on water.
Oh, I know that. Crazy.
It's about 200 gallons an hour.
Oh, God.
People, I'm getting bored. Hello. So for now,
Hey.
no. Right now I'm not being serious. Right now I'm Kimmy Joe.
The park does close at 11 o'clock p.m. tonight with extra magic hours from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. And we have 2 electrical parades tonight, one at 9 and one at 11. The Magic Memories and You will be showing at 9:45 and 10:35, with Wishes showing at 10
But then
o'clock.
it's also the busiest time of the year. Winter? Yeah, it's the busiest time of the year. I don't care. Seriously, it's sweating hard. Go in the autumn. I'm not usually sweating. Whatever. So, we went on like a lot of rides. See you tomorrow. Oh, no. First, before, I want to show you something.
Eating my brain.
Do this, not this.
The video is gonna go viral. Here we are.
I'm getting bored. Hi. I'm a person. From outer space. I mean, not from outer space.
YouTube.
I'm from though. I'm a dwarf. Get out of the video, Bubba. No. You don't deserve to be in this video. Yeah. You've been mean. You've been mean. Don't remain seated. Don't put your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Don't supervise children. What if they die? Well, what if they die? What if the children
can't tell me to shush.
She's so good.
You're elder. You gotta treat me with respect. I'm about to make this kind of stuff.
Okay, well, anyway. Wait, what am I talking about? Oh, yeah.
Looks like we replenished our
What if the
water
little kids
supply.
die?
And we're ready
Because
to
if
embark on the
they're not being
next leg of our
supervised, they could, like, fall out.
Destination is Main Street,
Die, like
USA.
you said.
Now, everyone
People
stay
forward
seated
is
and
who
keep
are
your hands
haunted.
and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times.
Keep those arms
I want to go on the haunted
please.
mansion thingy again. I know, it's not even fair.
Tenga las manos, brazos,
Like I said,
dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños.
Touch me. I'm getting tired of being touched. Look at that. See? Look at that. Tell him to stop.
There are some who say that this steam train is a little old-fashioned, but for me, it's the only way to travel.
Again.
Of course, there are those who prefer to hit the highway
Wow.
on the right.
Only 5
I
minutes.
spot some pint-sized drivers.
Yeah.